Hi, my name is Santiago Maya. I'm an 8th grade A student, and I would like you to listen my learning reflection on science. What I learned in class has helped me to know and question myself about the important things that surround me, such as the universe, planet, galaxies, laws of motion, etc. I can improve my learning by paying attention in class and making good questions. Also, by doing my own research and increasing my knowledge, as well as organizing my activities so everything is on time. The best way for me to learn was by comparing and relating information with the real life, specifically talking about science, which teaches us a lot of topics and let us know how everything works around us. I can improve my learning by having with me all the materials that are needed, like notebooks, pencils, etc. Also, by taking notes of important things, which will help me to study and get ready for my evaluations. I can use everything I have learned in the future, at any moment of my life. Knowledge let us change our attitudes, and this will influence our actions in order to take care of our world in a better way. I believe my actions will have a positive impact in our society, because all the things I have learned are important and useful for understanding how the cosmos and our universe work. I think the Big Bang was very interesting and significant in this unit. I can now understand that it wasn't an explosion, but it was an expansion. Knowing how quarks, atoms, and particles were formed, and how our galaxies, stars, and planets existed was a very interesting theme for me. My feelings were changing throughout time. While I learned new things, I was curious to know more and more each time. At the end of the unit, I felt satisfied of what I have found out. I felt very passionate about the universe and everything we have seen, from the stars and cosmos to the solar system and our galaxies. It, it was very interesting for me knowing about astronomy and how scientists study this amazing science. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Joaquin Jaramillo, and these are my science learning reflections. The things that I have learned are very helpful in my life. Sometimes, when I investigate and I don't understand something, I use the data and information previously obtained from my learning, and then I use that to help me understand the new context. But I also have used my learning to help others. There are a lot of learning that I love to share in class and with my family members, and I enjoy researching and trying to find out more information. I can improve learning by taking notes, paying attention, and always searching for the most important, clear, and relevant conclusion about my objective, which is to learn more and answer to the questions required. But the most important thing that I keep in mind and have used to improve my learnings is always enjoy and be happy about what is coming next. I've always looked forward into the future. The technique that I use to learn best is to search until I reach the crucial point about a specific theme. And I have always searched only for the important information I want to get. If you know where to search, you don't need to be worried about taking away some dust before finding the diamond. I am going to improve my learnings using a better technique and creating my own new methods to obtain information, which means that when I search for information, I won't only obtain data, but also I will feed my brain with knowledge and help to open knowledge doors for others. It is important because when you learn, this gain not only helps you to improve your understanding, it also helps others. This also gives you the opportunity to teach and show with your learning to others. I will use what I have learned to help others improve and make a difference with me. I have always thought about the importance of the teamwork because when you work in a team you can support with information others and maybe the others can teach you and show you something that you maybe don't understand. My actions will affect the others positively, obviously depending on the theme that the team will work on. It is very important to try to send a positive message that incentive people so that they also jump into that sea of adventure and learning. The highlight of this inquiry is the wish of the humanity of exploring and trying to find out more and discovering information, to ask, to act, and to reflect about the main theme of inquiry. All has been very good. I feel very comfortable and happy about what I have learned until now. And in conclusion, all my feelings have changed positively throughout the inquiry process. I feel most passionate about the stars and the celestial bodies, how the humanity's changing vision about the cosmology has changed and used to have the most concise model about how the universe really is. Finally, I feel passionate about the atom structure and elements. Thank you very much, and this has been my science learning reflection.